In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 10 Media. Installing Windows Media on your computer is a simple and straightforward process, and by following the steps carefully, you'll have it up and running in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This key usually has the Windows logo on it and is located in the bottom row, generally between the Alt and FN keys on most keyboards. Pressing this key will open up the Start menu, which is your gateway to everything on your computer, from applications to settings. Now with the Start menu open, you need to type in the word Store in the search bar. As you start typing, you should see the search results populate in real time right above the search bar. Once you see it, navigate over and click on Microsoft Store, which should be among the top results. This will open up the Microsoft Store, where you can find and download a multitude of apps and tools, including what we're looking for today. Once you're inside the Microsoft Store, the next step is to use the search bar within the store. You'll find this search bar typically located at the top of the window. Here you should type in the phrase Windows Media. Doing this triggers the search for all the related applications, and among the search results you'll see Windows Media Player. Now a quick side note, if you find yourself unsure whether you're clicking the right app, you can always look for the official icon or check some user reviews to feel confident this is the right choice. But essentially when you're ready, go ahead and click on Windows Media Player to proceed. Next, on the Windows Media Player page within the Microsoft Store, you'll be prompted with an Install button. Clicking this button begins the installation process, where the app downloads and installs on your device. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this process should be relatively quick. Keep in mind, if you already have Windows Media Player installed on your system, the install button will instead read Open. In that case, you already have everything ready to use, and you can click Open to directly launch the program. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through installing Windows 10 Media, or ensuring it's ready to use if it was already installed. Hopefully this guide has clarified the process for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on getting the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching.